Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we want to find the value of m, given that we have 3 to the power of m minus 2 to the power of m equals 65. So guys, let's have it to be solution. So from here guys, we have 3 to the power of m minus 2 to the power of m equals 65. Now, mind you that we can have this as 3 to the power of m, all in bracket, minus 2 to the power of m, all in bracket, equals 65. Now, we can have here to be 1. We can also have here to be 1. But mind you that when you have 2 divided by 2, we have it to be equals 1. This equals 1. 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. So, which implies that we can easily substitute it here. So we can have it to be 3 to the power of m, all to the power of 2 divided by 2 minus 2 to the power of m, all to the power of 2 divided by 2 equals 65. And again, mind you, according to law of indices, that says when you have a to the power of m, then again to the power of n divided by b. Guys, we can have this to be equals a to the power of m divided by b, then all to the power of n. So, now by applying this simple idea here, this implies that we are going to have, we can interchange the power of this as 3 to the power of m divided by 2, all to the power of 2, minus 2 to the power of m divided by 2, then all to the power of 2 to be equals 65. Now guys, let's do something reasonable. Okay, let's say we should let 3 to the power of m divided by 2 to be equals x, then 2 to the power of m divided by 2 to be equals y. So if this equals x and this equals y, so this implies that we can easily substitute everything here as x. The whole of this will be x to the power of 2 minus the whole of this equals y. Here will be y minus 2 equals 65. We have to take note of this. But recall, from difference of 2 square, when you have a square minus b square, you always have this to be equals when you have a plus b, then multiply by a minus b. And this implies, in the case of x square minus y square, we're going to have here to be x square minus y square equals x plus y in bracket, then multiply by x minus y. Now, by substituting this one to the left hand side, so we're going to have this as x plus y, all in bracket, then multiply by x minus y equals 65. But let's take a look at multiple of what? 65. We can have 65 to be as 5 times 13, or we can have it to be 13 times 5. Now, we can also have 65 as 65 multiplied by 1, or we have 1 multiplied by 65. But mind you that we don't want these two expressions. The reason is that it's going to give us the solution we are looking for. Now, let's consider this 2. From here we have x plus y, then multiply by x minus y equals, we can have here to be 5 times what? 3, or we have x plus y all in bracket, then multiply by x minus y all in bracket to be equals 13 times 5. Now the next thing we have to take a look at is from here we see that this side is positive, or let's say x plus y will greater than x minus y, which implies that it must satisfy this right answer as well. We see that 15 is less than 13, so this one is wrong for this because this is greater than this, no matter what the value of y. This will greater than this, and here we have 5 to less than 13, that is, this one is less than this one. So we need to have 13 first. That means this one satisfy the expression we are looking for. You can have this as equation 1. And from this equation 1, when we equate, by equating we have x plus y equals 13. Name this as equation 2. And x minus y equals 5. Name this as equation 3. Now, by considering the equation 1, equation 2, and 3, let's solve them simultaneously. When you had x plus x will give you 2x plus x minus y plus y minus y will give us 0. So we have 13 plus 5. This will give us 18. And from here, we can easily get the value of x by dividing through by 2. When we divide through by 2, this will take away this. Then we have our x to be equals 18 divided by 2. It is believed that this will give us what? 9. Now, if x equals 9, then we got to recall that we have x plus y equals 13. Now, x equals 9, we have 9 plus y equals 13. Therefore, y equals 13 minus 9. And 13 minus 9, we have it to be 4. So we have our y to be equals 4. Now, so guys, if we have our x to equals 9, then we have our y to be equals 4. Then we have to recall that we have our s to be equals 3 to the power of m divided by 2. And so therefore from here, we have our x to be equals 9. So we have 9 to be equals 3 to the power of m divided by 2. Mind you that we can have 9 to be in base 3 as 3 to the power of 2 equals 3 to the power of m divided by 2. Now, we got to recall from law of indices, when you have a to the power of m, that equals a to the power of n. So far they have the same base, so we can equate their power to be m equals n. So having known this, let's apply it here. So we're going to have it to be 2 equals m divided by 2. Now, the moment when you cross multiply, 1 times m will give us our m, 2 times 2 will give us our 4. So we have our m to be equals 4. Or if you like, if you want to consider the second one, so we have 2 to the power of m divided by 2 to be equals y. Then our y equals 4. So we have 2 to the power of m divided by 2 equals 4. Mind you, we can have 4 to be in base 2 as 2 to the power of 2. So we have here to be 2 to the power of m divided by 2 equals 2 to the power of 2 by equating their power. Because they have the same base, we have m divided by 2 equals 2. So from here, cross multiply, we have our m to be equals 4, which is the same thing as this. They are the same. Now, to check, we have 3 to the power of m minus 2 to the power of m, that equals 65. Now, when m equals 4, we have here to be 3 to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 4 is going to give us 65. Now, from the left hand side, 3 to the power of 4 is 81. 2 to the power of 4 will give us 16. Then it's going to give us 65. Now, from here, When we borrow around to this is 11. 11 minus 6 will give us 5. Then 7 minus 1 is what? 6 equals 65. So this is true for the value of x equals, for the value of m equals 4. So when you solve for the other one, where we can express our 65 to be equals 65 times 1, or we have 1 times 65. This will not give you the value of m that will satisfy this expression, and that is why we don't consider this one. So we prefer to go with 13 times 5. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more mathematics tutorial videos. Bye bye.